Hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I flat iron my hair. My hair is already washed, conditioned, and blow dried. I have two videos on my channel showing you how I blow dry my hair. I'll leave the links down below. I use two heat protectants for my hair. The first one is Silk Element Mega Silk Heat Protection. The second one is Curl Daughters Macadamia Heat Protecting Serum. Unfortunately, it's discontinued. And the flat irons I use is by H2 Pro Professional. As you can see, my hair is parted into 4 sections. I like to work in sections because it's easier to manage my hair. So in each section, I put about 2 to 3 pumps of the macadamia serum on each section and a couple sprays with the Silk Element. And here I'm so excited to see my growth. It's been about, I want to say 6 to 8 months, maybe a year since I flat ironed my hair. So I was excited to see the growth. And the smoke you see, don't worry, my hair is not burning off. I don't know why, but when you put heat protectant on your hair and you put heat to it, it smokes a little bit. That makes sense. My ladies who flat on their hair, you know what I'm talking about. So my hair is not burning off. It's just the reaction from the heat protectant and heat. I had the flat irons set to 375 to 400 degrees. So I'm finally done. Here's a little length check up the front of my hair. It comes to my, like under my boobs, and the back comes right below my bra strap. I cut some bangs last June around my birthday, so I'm surprised how much it has grown. So this is day 2 hair. I'm going to show you how I preserve my hair throughout the week. I'm going to use flexi rods. Pump a little bit of this oil, Curl Daughter oil, on my hands, put it through my hair, and roll on.
Literally fright the courtroom.
Now I'm going to flexi rod my hair to sleep in for the first night because I want more of a curly effect. Oh yeah, and as you can see, I did get braces. And don't mind my lipstick, it looks a little smudged because this is the end of the night and I was eating right before I filmed this. I wrapped my hair for about 5 minutes just so it could calm some of the curls down. My mother said my hair looks like a beauty pageant contestant. I don't know how I feel about that, but okay. Since my hair was still extremely curly by the end of the night, I wanted to wrap it because I didn't want it to be too curly the next day. So this day I used Fantasia hair polish to oil my hair. As you can see, almost every night or every other night, I will put oil on my hair, especially on the ends, because the ends did feel a little dry by the end of the day, and my hair tingled. So this is the look that I'm trying to achieve for the next day. More of a loose curl, like a wavy type of curl. Basically, by the end of the night, depending on how my hair looks, I would either pen curl it, wrap it, or use flexi rods. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.